Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download a playlist on YouTube Music from your phone. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube Music on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on Library at the bottom of the screen. Then select Playlist to see all your saved playlists. Choose the playlist you want to download. Once you open the playlist, tap on three dots. If you don't see the options here, go back to your playlist. Tap on three dot here and you will see option that says download. Tap on it. YouTube Music will start downloading all the songs in the playlist. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi to save mobile data. You can also download playlists from search result or recommended list. Just tap the three dot menu next to the playlist and select download. YouTube Music will automatically save all the songs in that playlist to a library for offline listening. Check a download, tap on library, then select download. Here you will see all your downloaded playlist, album and songs. You can play them anytime even if you don't have internet connection. This makes traveling or commuting with music super easy. And that's it. Now you know how to download a playlist on YouTube Music using your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.